Hi, I'm Lisa Leiter. In Chicago Business Today, growing Goose Island. Chicago's best-known craft beer is taking a shot at expansion. Goose Island Beer Company hired an investment banker to find financing so it can expand its brewing capacity. The company's founder and president tells Crain that capacity is maxed out and that more output will be needed to enter new markets.
Goose Island is looking for an investor who will allow them to maintain control over the operation, which is an unusual thing. And it allows them to expand the way they want to expand, particularly in some of the smaller products that they have that are truly in the craft range, and that's where growth is happening right now.
Goose Island's main Fulton Street brewery on the west side pumped out 20% more beer last year. Top seller 312 Urban Wheat Ale ranks 29th among domestic craft beers and is the company's best hope for growth.
Their advantage is that they're already in a big market, and so they're starting out with strong consumer awareness. It really is a Midwest beer. It's not just a Chicago beer, it's a Midwest beer, and so that's certainly something to build upon. But again, once you get into places like Colorado or Texas or even out east, there's very strong regional brands there as well. Certainly as they expand in the Midwest, I think they'll find a relatively easier go of that. But once you get much beyond the Midwest region, it really becomes much more of a brand building and awareness building issue than probably here in the Midwest.
Goose Island is under pressure to secure financing quickly. Wholesalers want long-term production plans so they know which beers have growth potential and are worth selling. Without the ability to boost output, Goose Island may not be able to compete as well. The Fulton Street Brewery's output has more than quintupled since its first batch in 1996. Goose Island expects to package 22 different beers there this year and has outsourced some of its production to a brewery in New Hampshire. Well, that's this edition of Chicago Business Today. For more on this story, be sure to check out this week's print edition of Crain's and chicagobusiness.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.